Well, hello there. It's Wednesday, July 16th, 2025. I'm Patrick, a disabled investor. I'm on a mission to grow my registered disability savings plan to $1 million from currently $124,000. And I'm sharing my journey to help you avoid mistakes that I'm making by sharing my mistakes along the way. Today, I didn't do anything. It was another day of what I'm coming to call leap and sleep, which basically, in my mind, is my strategy, which is to buy leaps, which are long-term equity anticipatory securities, so basically long call options that are in the money or close to in the money, and sitting on them and doing nothing else. I have stocks, I have ETFs, I have some, index and bond ETFs and all the rest of it. But the leaps are what are powering my portfolio to new heights through explosive growth. Today, the S&P 500 closed higher at 0.3%. Because of the options that I hold, my portfolio, let me get this right, added 1.75% to end the day at $124,243, which is up $2,100 from where I started the day. And again, that's from not trading, that's from just sitting on what I got, and, I take my inspiration from something that I saw on the Swedish Investors channel, describing an investor who thought that he could do well just by buying quality and sleeping and not doing anything. And it's proving to be true. Where I might get into trouble is if things get more volatile, which they could. If the underlying securities on the options that I have lose value, then my options could lose value significantly as well. And if you've been following me for a while, you might have seen that some days when the market's only down a little bit, I'm down a lot, and that's just the nature of it. So, having said that, it was a pretty good day, and I'm not going to complain about it. Hope you had a good one, and I will talk to you again tomorrow. Thanks for watching again, and please like and subscribe if you enjoy my content. Have a good one.